Yes, Harry, your program has gone down the
Swally.
WC.
March out of 10 for the program so far, Holly.
The program so far, I'd have to say probably an 8 out of 10.
Oh, very good. Very good.
So we failed on something. Well, Harry's failed on something. I mean, it's Harry's show, so we can put all the blame on him. What has he failed on?
We concur.
When he let me on the show.
Correct.
Oh, no.
And what's the other one?
When he let you and the other guy sing.
That is perfection. That singing is perfection, you know.
Wait, who's the other guy on the line? Who else?
Okay, let's sing Dark Side of the Moon, Donna. Let's let her know what we can really do. I think it's pretty impressive that Harry has 5 people talking here on the conversation.
Pretty good,
Who's
isn't it?
all on the conversation? I don't even know who's all in the air.
That's a great mystery.
It's a good job. I've got a very expensive mixer board. Twiddling me knobs here.
Twiddlin' Me Knobs.
Twiddling his knobs.
Mavis!
Wibbly wobbly timely wimely.
Well, in your honor, Holly, we've both donned top hats as well, so.
Here we go. Here we go. Hey, shall we rescue this show and play some music?
Yes, Bloodwind Pig.
Bloodwind Pig.
John Bundy,
Yes, sir.
Dale Hugh, Holly Stalin, Mad Bitch, Donna.
Yay!
Coming on to my little show.
Donna
Happy
Matrix.
Go, Mad Bitch Donna, we love you. Woo!
Okay.
Bye.
Donna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, there you go. That's what it is.
So I'm